Hi, my name is Kirsty Buckley and I'm from Chapelton in the parish of Clarendon and I'm representing Farm Up Jamaica.
Farm Up Jamaica is here to help reduce the importation of foreign food into Jamaica, increase Jamaican exports, put young people and farmers back to work in sustainable organic farming, and help to reduce crime and poverty by creating opportunities for people who need them most. We call it putting idle hands to idle lands.
Since I am a young girl growing up, I've seen my dad doing farming and I've always wanted to pursue a career in agriculture, mainly in animal production and crops. And after high school, I've attended Ebony Park Art Academy in Tollgate, Clarendon, where I've studied general agriculture in level 2 and a level 3 in agriculture extension services. I've done approximately 3.5 years in study. Then I started working as a demonstrator at the Ebony Park Art Academy at the Go-Through unit. And my experience in Farm Up Jamaica was in 2015 when Neil Curtis came to Ebony Park and did a presentation on Farm Up Jamaica. And I remember as a student, we went and asked him if we could gain experience on the weekends at Farm Up Jamaica, and he didn't hesitate and he said yes. The young soldiers in food security program, we planted onions, organic onions, sweet peppers and lettuce. And also we had new projects in Retirement St. Anne, where we planted romaine lettuce, carrots, and other produce. We had the greenhouse that we planted our seedlings, and we used our organic pesticides, and other methods, other organic methods to carry out our practices at Farm Up Jamaica. There was a lot of female trainees at the time. In my group particularly, in the Agriculture Extension Service group from Ebony Park, we had maybe 7 females, but we had other females from other different entities that came for experience with Farm Up Jamaica. In 2019, doing projects with Farm Up Jamaica, Neil Curtis, which is the CEO of Farm Up Jamaica, he had asked me if we had other persons from Ebony Park that wanted to come on board with Farm Up Jamaica. And so I've introduced him to a few people that I know could get the job done and who wanted experience. And so today we have one such person here with me today that is going to tell you about his experience at Farm Up Jamaica, and his name is Cavor Hilton. He's from the parish of St. Anne.
My name is Cavor Hilton. I hail from Brownstown, St. Anne, representing Farm Up Jamaica. And I first got introduced into the company in 2019 by my sister. Came in to help with Ebony Park trainees, training them to work organic farming. That was done for about approximately 2 to 3 months training there. After that, started going out on projects in Brownstown, St. Anne, retirement in Brownstown, St. Anne. Projects in New Forest, Manchester. We planted lettuce, romaine lettuce, sweet peppers, carrots, onions. In Retirement St. Anne, we planted romaine lettuce, carrots, sweet peppers, lemongrass. I love to use organic farming because it is a much safer method of farming, safer for the body, better for the plants and for the environment, instead of using all the chemicals, pesticides. Because while we do use our own pesticides in Farm Up Jamaica, it is organically made using neem, hot peppers, garlic, and other ingredients. Also, in an effort to reduce and other insects. We use lemongrass, planting on the borders to surround our plants, keep them safe. Also use mulching in space of weeding, keep down the weeds. That. Also, being organic it's the way to go for the future in terms for me, because keeping it natural is best for everyone. Chemicals are only damaging the environment. We all know this, which is why Farmer Jamaica's practices in going organic are the best I've seen and are the ones I'd rather work with. Going forward, they're the way to go. As a young farmer myself, I would advise the youths, the young next generation, to get into farming, organic farming. This is the way to go. Getting food, having food, growing food will always be a necessity. That will never change. So I advise all of you to get up, get out there, get into the farming. Get the idle hands off the street and get them in the lands.
So Farm Up Jamaica is here to help reduce the importation of foreign food into Jamaica, increase Jamaican exports, put young people and farmers back to work in sustainable organic farming, and help to reduce crime and poverty by creating opportunities for people who need them most. We call it putting idle hands to idle lands.